Yes.
You can just any height according to your needs. You can drop down here.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. LED inside and the top, the basement top, the round inside have a transformer.
How do you do this in place?
A transformer inside. And you have a plug like this. You pull it out. Yeah, and replace a new one. Very easy. How many pieces for this one? One.
Switch off the seat belt to gun switch.
Okay.
Same style will match for you. You see? Same. Socket, switch. Same color. Choose the color. Black. This one better? This one you give me 8. Cannot do white or do black. Also make black.
No, make white.
Okay, white. This is the quantity for the sports, not very big quantity because here only have around 20.
Too much light. Before you put too much light. Then how much this one put?
Yes, 10.
No, 10 per. Okay.
Already the total quantity or single one.
Oh, you need to times 11.
Don't worry. Leave this one. What I give you quantity, work with it.
So
When you
here
finish
is
this
for one villa.
One villa times 11.
Times 11. Oh, okay.